Bailey International is a manufacturer and distributor of hydraulic cylinders, power units, and other components. Anything that is mobile hydraulics, we can serve a customer's needs. We've got a great force here of people that design, engineer, sell, support, and build hydraulic power units and cylinders. We're constantly looking at data to figure out how we can do our jobs better, how we can manufacture better and improve quality, how we can better stock items that our customers are looking for, and then how we can better serve the customer through our customer service channel. And it's the big data world that's exploding and everyone's excited about, but we have the problem that everyone else does is, now what do you do with all this data? As a marketing analyst, I build spreadsheets of data and numbers all day long. We use NetSuite as our ERP system, so that's where all of our data is being entered and then we're pulling it out of. But at the end of the day, it's just a bunch of numbers. And it is difficult sometimes to look up against various reports, different entity types, record types that may not mesh well with others. But traditionally, I'm pulling it out and just putting it into Excel and playing with it in spreadsheets, pivot tables. It's static data at that point. And whereas we use NetSuite because it's live, real-time numbers that we're having come in, as soon as I pull the report, it's dead. And then the distribution of that data is difficult as well. Passing spreadsheets around, different revisions and changes, not knowing who has it, where and what, and then files that are so large that it's even difficult to send to other people. We learned about iCharts at SuiteWorld a couple years ago and immediately saw how iCharts could solve a lot of issues for me. iCharts is a data visualization tool that lives within NetSuite and shows me my data in real time. Having it in real time is massive. I have a dashboard for myself of things that I'm looking for in marketing and sales overall. We've also built specialized dashboards for our sales team, both inside and outside, and it helps them quickly get an idea of which customers they need to focus on today, what their activities need to be, and where they need to focus their sales efforts. They also have charts that show their sales comparing year over year, something that we weren't able to do within NetSuite natively, and now they can see year over year sales by customer and really drill down into that. And iCharts allows me to go in there, bring in multiple saved searches, map fields to each other, and then run calculations based on those fields. And that was a huge problem that I was having where I was constantly downloading the data and don't have to do that anymore. Building a chart in iCharts is very easy. It's a drag and drop functionality. You get to see the different fields that you have in your saved searches and you just put them wherever you want them. I build a chart in iCharts and I never have to look at it again. And they have it in real time. They don't have to worry if their data is up to date or not. They know it is, and they know exactly where to find it right on their own dashboard. I love taking those numbers and building a story off of it, and then handing that off to the people within the company that can make the decisions that they need to based off of that. I knew that more of what I was doing day to day was actually producing results, and that has made my job a whole lot easier. I would highly recommend iCharts to anyone that was thinking about using it. Using iCharts, we've done a much better job of understanding our data and making business decisions based off of that. And that's made Bailey a better company.